Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to dye sublimate one of our ceramic rectangle sublimation fridge magnets using a flat heat press. These are a great gift to make for Mother's Day where you can add a personalised touch. On screen now is a list of items that you'll need to sublimate this fridge magnet. Step 1, download the free sublimation fridge magnet template from our website, which is available after purchase, and create your design on any design software. Our template comes as just a singular fridge magnet, but you can copy and paste this onto an A4 design and print multiple at a time. We're just going slightly over the canvas size so the colours go right to the edges. Once you've done this, export as a PNG with a transparent background and print mirrored using sublimation ink and paper. Step 2, preheat the press to 180 degrees for 180 seconds with light to medium pressure. We're doing 30 kg. Step 3, lint roll the fridge magnet to remove any dust or fibres and place the magnet back to the side as we stick this on after sublimation. Then preheat the ceramic rectangle for 10 seconds to help it get to room temperature. Step 4, align the magnet on the design and secure tightly with heat-resistant tape. Step 5, place the ceramic rectangle in the press between two Teflon sheets with the design on top and start the timer. Step 6, using heat protective gloves, remove the magnet and allow to cool completely. Step 7, once it's fully cooled down, carefully peel off the tape and stick on the magnet back. It's then ready to use. And there you have it, you have your own handmade personalised fridge magnet. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give it a like and tell us in the comments below what you would dye sublimate onto a fridge magnet. Follow us on social media for more sublimation tips and tricks, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye!